back to part 2 of Spider-Man mask making video. I actually measured the face shell and glued them very strong. But even though they needed should be very strong, so we are going to make layer or a strong coating of newspaper and glue. For the glue just mix 40% of water and 60% of glue. Now apply them on the face shell and give it more time to dry. Then only it will be so strong.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more.
Now they got more stronger than before. Okay, now let's paint it with black paint, poster or acrylic paint.
Need help, I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Let's arrange these templates. These template PDF is also given below in description. But let's start what to do. Just follow my steps.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on just a thousands.
Now we are done. Okay, let's paint another side of the face shell.
To see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Now we have to make the face mask. For the face mask I took an old red t-shirt which like the same as the Spider-Man mask. Now trace the template in the t-shirt and cut them. Now we have to trace the lines also. I painted the lines into black, and now sew the mask at edges that are marked. Oh my god, it gone through the mask. Now we have to make the holes in the mask. Now we need to make lens. I gave the lens templates also below the description. But don't use the first PDF. Now cut them. Actually, you have to make another lens that should be mirrored. That all parts should be mirrored for the another part. Then only you will get opposite lens properly. Stick the parts as I am showing you. Now make another lens and paint both of them in black.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
For making the fiber inside the lens, I am going to use a nylon cloth, which help to see everything clearly from inside. It's very thin, so I am going to fold this into 2 layers and going to stick in the lens. Ta-da! The lens is ready. Now we have stick them into the mask.
Alright, let's do this one last time. My name is Peter Parker. I was bitten by a radioactive spider, and for 10 years, I've been the one and only Spider-Man. Is me. There's only one Spider-Man, and you're looking at him.